Wow, this donut is so good.
Yeah, pretty good.
They're cooked really well.
Yeah, I wonder what controls the machine that cooks them.
Everybody likes donuts, right? Our product helps make sure that your donuts taste good. We help count the donuts to make sure they don't make too many so that they don't go bad. And we also help them regulate the temperature so that you don't have a burnt donut or an underdone donut, because nobody likes that, right?
I like it because it's you get to fix problems, which kind of sounds silly, right? Who wants to have a problem every day? But there's always problems that happen, you know, from here and there. So being able to fix things and make it run better, it's really cool because you get to see it happen, and then you make money for the business and for your employees off of that. So it's pretty cool to be able to do that, solve problems, right? We make devices that take information from big machines, and it puts it all into one area, and then it sends it out to everybody else. So we make displays basically, so like touchscreen displays.
So this here will tell me that it's ready. And then what I do is complete these tests, which is the calibration to make sure that the touch screens work.
Some of these boards are larger boards overall. We also make some really small ones too, and they tend to have smaller parts. So it kind of depends on what the product is going to be at the end that defines that. So, little parts require a little hand to pick them up. Bigger parts require a bigger hand, right? So that's what it's doing right now. It's putting the bigger parts on there after the small parts have already been put on. So you see the board coming off the line over here.
They set it up right so they'll flow downward, okay? But some of my parts have a lot more than what these are. You just take your iron and you're gonna put it against it, add a little solder, and pull away.
You get to pop that off, cycle power off. Then you have a housing unit. Housing unit always goes on. This gets tidied up. Make sure your label's stuck with it. Called our mill switches. These actually go into the, you know, military itself. So, yeah. And what that would look like is finished unit. Something as small as this going something as big as this.
Wow, those were really good.
Thank you, Red Line Controls.